Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today we're bringing to you a continuation of our series on best value projects. And today I want to highlight our best value hall bathroom bath crate projects since we started the company. Now these are projects that had great bang for the buck and really are core and foundational to the types of projects that we love doing for customers on a daily basis. So here we go. Coming in at number 5, Bath Crate Lowest Way in Series. You're going to see a dramatic change on this project. We said goodbye to the wood paneling wall behind the vanity, the ceiling tiles that were literally falling down, and in its place is a beautiful, fresh, clean, smooth new bathroom with a new vanity top, backsplash, shower door. Everything you can imagine this project was redone, and the price point, including design, permitting, fixtures, everything, roughly $18,500. That's a fantastic value. Coming in at number 4 on our countdown to the 5 best bath crate values since we started, Bath Crate Henry Road in Escalon. You'll notice that this project went from kind of not very functional to very functional when we converted what was just a bathtub to a complete shower enclosure. Also, the really long, old, dated vanity was completely refinished, new vanity top, all new wall and ceiling paint, all new plumbing fixtures, and all of this for only $17,700. Once again, an amazing value for this customer. Coming in at number 3, Bath Crate Covey Creek Circle in Stockton. One of the biggest changes on this job that you're going to see is at the vanity. Completely new door and drawer faces, refinished cabinet, new top, new backsplash, and a beautiful new custom framed mirror over the top of the vanity. And if you pivot over to the shower area, once again we took that shower tile all the way to the ceiling, a beautiful new shower enclosure, and I just love the way the tones came together on this project, all for only $17,600. Coming in at number 2, Bath Crate 2nd Street in Livingston, California. Now this is another job where the bathtub was removed, a wall was built, and a new tub shower combination was installed. I love the linear layout of the shower tile, a couple accent strips and a niche, beautiful new space. Now over at the vanity, you're going to notice complete cabinet refinishing, countertops, new plumbing fixtures, new mirror, and then at the ceiling, once again, an old tile ceiling removed, drywall tape, texture, and paint, and all this for only $16,400. What a deal. And at number 1, one of our biggest values since we started Bath Crate Nancy Drive in Ripon. Now you'll notice that on our last video we highlighted kbCrate Nancy Drive. This customer got 2 amazing spaces, both at an exceptional value. On this particular project, you'll notice instead of building a new wall, we actually took one down, opening up the space from the vanity area to the shower area to create much better flow. All the surfaces were completely refinished and replaced, and once again, I love the way this project turned out. Clean, simple tones, wonderful design scheme, and a much brighter, more open feeling. All of it for only $15,200. And that, folks, are our best values when it comes to hall bath crate projects. I loved sharing these with you, and we'd actually love to look at your hall bathroom if you'll have us. Go ahead and give us a call, 888-995-7996, or head on over to kbCrate.com where you can see hundreds of past projects or schedule your free phone consultation with myself or a member of my team. Thanks so much for watching.